This assignment, we're going to do a little bit of work with actually getting logged into the software on the computers. Most of the time we don't have to do this. We can work right off our Chromebook, but sometimes we'll have to get into the computer software. So you're going to go to your IST 728 in My IST 728 portal. You have this cool one here called Industrial Tech AWS Lab Apps. This is running through the Amazon Web Service. I have two because I'm in two different ones, so you might be in business, arts, or graphics, but I'm in IT. And here are all of our things that we have on the actual computers at school. So we're going to go into this. I'm going to click into Fusion 360. And this is the part that takes a while. What I'd like you to do for this one is just type in how long it takes for yours to come up. So just time this. I'm going to hit pause, and when I come back, mine will be up. And I'm back, and if you can see, mine took 7 minutes to get logged in here. And I'm working on here. And it's loading up. So I logged in with my Autodesk account, and now this is actually running the full version of the software on a cloud-based platform. So what you're going to be submitting here is a screenshot. It's going to come up, and you're going to submit a screenshot. And the difference, I should say, right here is we have manufacturer, so we can run our tools. So I'm going to have you submit a screenshot of this. It'll have your name up at the top there. It'll have, you're going to open up where it says design there. It says all your different things. So I know you're in Amazon Web Service. Just helping you out, getting you in the right spot.